All right. So here we are with our mobile plastic catfish pond. This is the type of pond we'll be using to culture our catfish on this mini catfish farm. So there's this particular question I receive a lot. How many catfish can I stock in this 1,000 plastic catfish pond? So when your fish are still at the post fingerling stage or juvenile stage, you can stock in 700 or 800. I don't recommend 1,000. 700 or 800 post or juveniles will be okay in this 1,000 liters plastic tank. But at maturity, once your fish start getting bigger, you make sure you maintain just 100 pieces of fish inside this tank. Don't stock above, but you can stock below. To be on the safer side, 80 is okay, but 100 would leave 100 sets of catfish would live conveniently to table size in this mobile plastic catfish pond. And there's another mistake so many of us make. We buy just one tank and we say that we want to start catfish farming business. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. To start your fish business with this particular tank, you need at least three of this tank because catfish come in three different sizes. They come in big, they come in medium, and they come in small. So you need to get at least three of this tank to kickstart your catfish farming business. Don't just go and buy one. Don't buy just one. One will not work because you'll be needing to sort them as soon as possible because they will start outgrowing each other every week. So that will be that for today. We'll be bringing you more updates from this catfish farm later. So thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest. Already, thank you.